Look at a map on it. What?
Can you see my finger?
Yeah.
Yes.
Don't leave him alone. He's eating them.
Hubert.
Eat it. Eat the shrimp. There you go. Oh,
Do it.
Shrimp. Eating it. It's recording. It's a video. Looking right at the camera. Oh, what a good fish. Yeah.
Can you at least help me write the tooth fairy message?
Sure.
Because I lost my tooth.